What's up, niggas? My name's Mark. This is my bike check 2.0, because this shit is the real shit. Alright, let's start with the frame. It's the Kink Taco version 2, I think. It's beautiful. I love it. Scratched up the stickers and shit, missing stuff, but it's a very solid frame. Geometry is just perfect on it. I got it in 21. Primo headset. All headsets are the same. Sunday free stem. That shit's tight, top load. Perfect angles, perfect height. Stolen cell bars. Don't like them. Getting bars here soon. Primo boy grips. Kink lightest bar ends. Sunday forks. Primo wheel. Profile hub. Shadow seat. Shadow pedals. DK social cranks. Had those for about 2 years. Shadow sprocket. Shadow chain. Shadow bottom bracket. Shadow seat post. Shadow pegs. And alienation wheel. Dual tires. Nigga, that's it.